In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fillable PDF form in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know how to turn a regular document into a clean, interactive form that people can type into, check off, and sign. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat and opening the PDF you want to convert into a form. This can be an existing form you designed elsewhere or a simple document that needs fields added. Having a clean layout with clear labels in your PDF will make the next steps easier and help Acrobat recognize where fields might belong. Head to the Tools tab and choose Prepare Form. Acrobat will open a dedicated form editing workspace. In the dialog that appears, confirm the file you already opened or browse to pick a different one if needed. When the form opens, Acrobat may try to detect fields automatically. That's a helpful starting point, and you can edit or add to those fields as you go. Use the toolbar at the top to add the form elements you need. Add text fields anywhere you want people to type, like names, addresses, or comments. Use checkboxes when multiple options can be selected, and radio buttons when only one choice should be allowed. Drop-down menus are great for short lists, like states or departments, and they keep the form tidy. Add a signature field where a digital signature is required. If you plan to let people submit or reset the form, insert buttons for those actions. Click and drag to place each field, then select a field to fine-tune its properties. You can change the label, set the size, adjust alignment, and define formatting. For example, apply a date format to a date field or a character limit for short answers. Validation rules help catch errors, such as requiring a number or making a field mandatory. Clear labels and helpful tooltips make forms easier to complete and reduce mistakes. Arrange your fields by dragging them into place and use alignment cues to keep everything neat. When you want to test, click Preview. This switches you into user mode so you can type, tab through fields, pick from drop-downs, and check required fields. If something doesn't behave the way you expect, exit Preview to return to editing and make adjustments. When everything looks good, save your fillable PDF. It's a good idea to save a new copy so you keep an untouched original. Your form is now ready to share and use, with interactive fields that make collecting information faster and more accurate.